Okay, here I am back at the repair shop slash Studio A. Maybe one day, who knows? Because I do have some radio equipment here, or sound equipment I want to use. As you can see there, I have a mini rack with a patch bay on top. Looks like some iPads up there that probably need to be worked on. Actually, no, those are not iPads. Those are Microsoft Surface units that need to be worked on. My smallest non-turntable mixer. It's an 8-channel Harbinger with phantom power. That's why I bought the thing, because I needed it for my WA87, which is a clone of the Neumann U87 microphone. Sounds pretty damn good anyway, though. And then down here, this is no clone. This is the real deal, but this has some issues. Let's see. This switch here is messed up. It's a part that can be ordered, though, I believe. This is a $1,300 mic. Found it at the flea market not long ago. Probably in a video, but I haven't released yet. That thing cost me 25 bucks. It probably has a capacitor issue, so I'm going to have a few different issues to resolve in this. Otherwise, I mean, whatever repair work I do to that is going to cost a lot less than buying it online. I don't think you could buy a new one online. They just don't exist anymore. You can get used ones for, well, a hell of a lot of money. Then there's that ultra wide monitor I picked up not long ago, which has never been featured in a video. Some random cables, power supplies, a meter, a couple of boxes that are going into the mini rack over there. I've got a Behringer Virtualizer Pro, which is another effects box, much like the Pro Verb over here. I see a cat sneaking around over here. Get out of here. I'm trying to make a video. I'm not starting over again. And then I got a CQ31 from SM Pro. Those units were obtained at the flea market for dirt cheap prices. They both work. Couple Acers I brought brand new. These two monitors, those were, well, I don't need to go over the pricing. And back there is a Raspberry Pi that I usually have hooked up to those two, but I haven't been up here in a while. Things just kind of get taken out, put back, you know, things happen. Lots of weird things happen. This up here is probably one of those weird things. This I picked up at a thrift shop, I think, or maybe the flea market, who knows. At first it doesn't look like much, but you know what this is? This is a DVR unit. And inside it has a 1 terabyte drive, which is removable. And of course, removable drives are always good things to have. So let's see, power off. I can't do this one-handed. That's a project for another day anyway. You know, shucking drives. I might do a video on that. I might not. One video I could do that wouldn't take too much time is shucking this. Because this is an M.2, or no, I'm sorry, this is an NVMe drive. Yeah, there it is. Hidden inside an enclosure. And it's cheaper to buy these and shuck them in most cases. Sometimes there's a good sale on a regular drive than to buy the regular drive. So this might get used. I'm going to need this, of course, too. I've had this kind of packed away for a bit in the dirty area. I probably shouldn't leave, you know, dusty area. So I'll put that up there for now. I'm going to maybe, if it's necessary, use that with the unit I picked up today for 30 bucks. And I'm going to probably post that video soon. It needs a good cleaning. Didn't get a chance to do that yet. I don't see my stack of wipes up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this area. Then I'm going to clean this thing up. And then I'll do a little work on it. See what's wrong with it. If there's anything wrong, it might be fine. Who knows? I doubt it. That guy, you know, it's a 50-50 shot with him. Sometimes less than 50%. So we'll see what happens.